Here's how to make money online broken down in the simplest way possible. First, you want to find a problem that people are dealing with. And then you want to create a product or find a product that is solving that problem. And then you start creating content around that problem and directing people on where they can purchase the product that is going to solve their problem. And then you're going to want to use a software that's going to allow you to build a sales funnel where you can direct people to. And this is going to help you automate the sales process. So here's a diagram to better explain this method. So once you have a product or a service that is solving a problem that people are dealing with, then you're going to want to create content around that specific product, showing people how that product is going to solve their problem. From there, you're going to want to direct them to the first page of your sales funnel. And this page is to capture their name and email address. From here, they're going to usually be directed to another page called a bridge page. This page typically describes a little bit more in detail about the product or service that you're offering. And when people click on the button to go to the next page, that's going to bring them to the sales page. This is where they have the option to purchase the product that you're offering. And if they do purchase this product, then that means you just made a sale. Now, if you want to get started earning online, even as a complete beginner, make sure to follow me and also leave a comment.